In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Synthesia video. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along smoothly. Open your browser and search for Synthesia. In the results, look for the official website to make sure you're on the right platform, then head there. Once you're on the site, click Login and sign into your account. After you land on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and select New Video. Here you'll see three main ways to get started. If you want a fast, polished foundation, start from a template. There are dozens of pre-designed layouts organized by use case, like sales outreach or knowledge base. If you prefer full creative control, pick a blank canvas. And if you already have materials, import a PowerPoint or PDF to automatically turn your slides into individual scenes. Next, choose an avatar. There are hundreds of lifelike AI presenters available. If you see options marked with a purple logo, those are expressive avatars, which adjust facial expressions and gestures to match your script's tone. Select one that fits your brand and audience. Now, choose a voice. You can pick from a wide range of AI voices across many languages. If you're on a paid plan and want perfect consistency, voice cloning lets you use your own voice with any avatar. Preview voices to double-check pacing and pronunciation before you commit. It's time to write your script. Aim for 2 to 4 short conversational sentences per scene. Keep each scene focused on one idea and use plain language. If you need emphasis, add it with punctuation and brief stage directions in your text. Enhance your message with visuals and B-roll. Add text, shapes, or upload your own media for logos and screenshots. You can also generate custom AI B-roll by describing what you want to see, like a busy office with people working. Keep visuals relevant and avoid clutter so your key points stand out. If you're creating a tutorial, use the AI screen recorder to capture your screen directly into a scene. It will automatically transcribe what's shown, which is great for clarity and accessibility. To boost engagement, add interactive elements such as clickable buttons, branching paths, or quick quizzes. These help viewers navigate content and reinforce learning. Before rendering, click Preview. Watch for layout consistency, script timing, and basic animations. Make any adjustments now to save time and credits. When you're happy, click Generate in the top right corner. Rendering usually takes 10 to 20 minutes, depending on video length. Once it's finished, export your video. You can download a full HD MP4, grab a shareable link, or embed it directly on your website. And that's it. You've created a professional Synthesia video from start to finish.